Hello, welcome to this new video. Today, you'll learn where to find invoice reports in Access Pro and how to export them correctly. The first thing you need to do is go to the Reports section in the left-hand menu. Then scroll down to the bottom where you'll find the Invoice Reports section. Here you can see all the invoices for your services and their current status, whether they are created or paid. You can also filter the information by week, month, or year, depending on the period you want to analyze. In the top right corner of the Reports panel, you'll find two very useful buttons that allow you to export the reports in PDF or CSV format, so you can use them outside of Access Pro or share them easily. Once you download the report, you'll get a well-organized and clear file ready to print, store in the cloud, or share with anyone you need without requiring any additional adjustments. And that's it. Now you know where to find your billing reports and how to export them in Access Pro. This allows you to keep a clearer record of your invoices and have your reports ready to print, save, or share whenever you need them. See you in the next video.